How are you, friends? Everybody, and welcome to my new update video of class Patshala. Today, I will solve the equation solve for x root over x minus 2 plus root over x minus 1 equal to 1. Squaring both sides here we can write x minus 2 plus root over equal to 1 square. We use here a formula a plus b all square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, x minus 2 plus x minus 1, we can write here this, but we shortly done this, plus 2 into root over x minus 2 root over x minus 1 equal to 1. Here root and square cancelled, so x minus 2 plus x minus 1 plus 2 root over, here we multiplying x minus 2 into x minus 1, we get 3x plus 2 equal to 1. Here 2 and minus 1 equal to minus 3, x and x equal to 2. So we can write 2x minus 3 plus 2 root over x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 1. We transfer 2x and minus 3 the left side to right side. So we write here x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 1 minus 2x plus 3. Okay, now we can write root over x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to minus 2x plus 4. Okay, now we write x square minus 3x plus 2 common here 2 minus x plus 4, 2 and 2 cancelled, so and squaring the both side we get x square, again squaring is cube, squaring both sides, x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to minus x plus 4 all square. Here we can write square and root cancelled, so we get x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to x plus x square plus 16 minus 8x. So sorry, here will be 2 and here is 2, here is 4x. Cancelling the square of the both side, we transfer 4x minus 3x, and here will 4, here will here will 4. Okay, and 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, understand that here will be 4 because 2 square equal to 4 and 2 and 2x into 4 2 equal to 4x. Here we transfer here subtracting by we get x equal to 2, x equal to 2. It is the solution of the equation. Okay, thank you.